Good morning, guys. This is Alan here, and today we'll be looking at ES, right? Coming down for sell side liquidity, right? We see that price runs higher, doesn't really take out buy side yet, drops lower, tags sell side, little shallow run, big movement higher, right? Takes out the Friday's high right here. Then we have this big distribution lower or expansion lower, and then price retraces near the 50%. So right there. And it came right into this fair value gap right here. All right. But more in case I was wanting to look at this one here, right? As a potential area. Right. Like I said, this is price came up near to 50, tagged into this imbalance here. I was looking at this one as well. All right, so let's do this one here. So that imbalance right there, right, covers this one inside, right? So price comes up into it. Look to get an entry. Price drops down. Enter. Price is slowly coming lower, coming lower. All right, so looking to target these lows down here. Got these lows. Yeah, equal lows down there. Low right here. So it's liquid resting here and here. So I'm looking for. So this is new week opening gap, right? New week opening gap, constant encroachment right there. Right. So I can give you guys a little show what I'm looking. So new opening gap, daily mean of the previous candle. This is old buy side liquidity. Right there, buy side liquidity. Old buy side liquidity right there, blue line. So this is also a higher time frame balance. I think this is a 4-hour imbalance or a daily imbalance. Oh, but that's just a daily mean. Daily mean, right? And the hour balance underneath this sells out liquidity is what I'm looking for. So I'm looking for a price to trade lower, tag this, and then could resume either going higher or, have their own analysis of that. But for right now, this is what I'm looking for, right? So this is the H1 fair value gap or H1 imbalance. So it's resting here, here, here. I'm looking for the price to trade lower, right? We do see price move higher, check into a very, very deep premium on a daily, right? Comes right up into, fills this right here, right? In the premium. And if you look at this, right, my bad. Yeah, I'll try to box this out first. So you look at this. I know there's a lot of boxes on my stream. See how it comes right up into that. We're looking for this to as resistance, real resistance to support price going lower, right? Move that off my screen. Yeah, and as of right now, we see them take out short-term lows, and then we continuously want them to go lower. I didn't trade AM just because I just didn't feel like trading AM this morning, just because I was looking at price from last night and I was like, dang, I don't know what they want to do for AM, so I'm gonna wait for it. Obviously, AM session had this big manipulation higher, right? Price drops lower, right? We're looking for retracement and then continue moving lower through these sell stops, right? So I'll stop just below that. Right, price came down here, ran higher, took all these highs, price drops lower, leave this here, leaves this here, leaves this here. I'm looking for it to then now run lower, right? Continue running lower into these stops, right? So that'll be my analysis for now. I don't want the videos to be too long. I'm trying to make it shorter. So I'll come back if it comes down here, if it comes back higher. All right. I'll give you guys another update in a little bit. Okay. I'll see you guys in like 5 seconds. Okay, guys. So that's a little like 10-minute, 15-minute break where we saw price come back higher, tag this, now starting to run lower. All right. So we're nearing the 5 handle mark where we take partials, and I do have my account open next to me right now. So I'm looking for a run to constant encroachment to take out 5 handles and looking to see if it wants to give me that. So I'm looking for another stab lower, take out these lows here, the consequent encroachment, and then take partials out, and then letting the rest run. That's kind of what I like, what I would want to see, right? But yeah, waiting for now, waiting for it. So when price comes down here, I'll look to close 5 handles. I think within the next 3 to 5 candles, I should start doing that since it's beginning of PM session, right? So we do see a nice run higher, price distributes lower. It could retrace up here. You could, if you want, take an entry, right? That's how I'd see it, right? Price takes out these buy stops here. Nice displacement lower, takes out this low. Price comes up here. You could take a sell, and I'll probably just take a small sell if it comes back up there on this demo to just show you guys instead of on my live. But yeah, so we see price run higher, take out these highs here, right? Big displacement lower, which is what we like to see. Price should retrace higher and then come lower towards these draws here, right? Well, that's what I'm looking forward to do, right? Come higher and then drop below, take out these levels here, right? If it comes to this level here, you can take that trade, right? But for me, I'm fine just where it is right now. Looking to continue the price run lower. So yeah, at about, yeah. As soon as it takes its own low out, I'll just take partials here. So let's wait for that. Let's close 10. Yeah. Once it takes out its own low, close out my partials of 10. Yeah. Okay. Looking for that move to go lower. Come on, come on. Okay, we see a retracement. Looking for the next candle or so to really take out that low here. Hope it doesn't push too high. Okay, fills that in right there. What do you want to do from there? Let's see it. Fills that in. Want to see price continuously move lower, right? Tags it there. Let's close half. Since I don't really want to close 10, let's close half. It was still pretty far from our target, but I do want to close it when it comes down to this level here. So it's about 4 handles. Boom. So partial out, closing my partial on my account. So both account partials are out, right? Boom, boom. So now you can see price continuously run lower. So to the 5 minute. So my stop loss, after I took out partials, I'm not really wanting to see them come higher, but I do want to give it some space to breathe. So I'll do 16. Yep. And the TP is down here at this new week opening low, right? See that? New week opening gap low. This new opening going low, right? Price trading lower is what is very, very ideal, right? There you go. There you go. Remember, constant encroachment right here, taking 50 off again. Honestly, let's just slap this to break even. Oops. That. So don't need the fib anymore. Keep the screen a little more tidy. Oh, there you go. There's a very, very aggressive move lower. There you go. That was another 4 out. Boom. So constant encroachment right there. TP is down here, looking for price to get down there. Take another partial out myself. This should be a really, really good run. So I'm feeling about the price of constant encroachment. Close fifth, half that out. Yeah. The price is kind of staying there. I'm looking for potentially the next candle to punch through it. Punch through it. Let's see if there were definite level of discount now. Yeah, see underneath the mean, looking for these levels here, and then we take our trades out because it's in a short-term discount right now. So always respect that, where the market is right now. So yes, even though we're in a higher time and premium, trading back to a short-term discount right now is ideal, right? I want to be aware of that. We don't want to just kind of go in there and just ignore all the signs the market's telling us or everything the market's telling us to do. Low price trading lower, lower. There's a nice little gap there, constant encroachment right here. Looking for it to tap it and then closing half of it, waiting for it. Okay, closed half of it out. And I have another half left. So I meant closing half of my account because I couldn't close it in time. But let's get the last one, right? Move trade to break even. And move my trade to break even. All right. And now I'm just letting price do its thing. So realistically, you guys can close your trade here, right? Like if price drops one more time lower and it refuses to take out these sell stops, then I'll just have to just live with it realistically. Yeah. So stop is at break even. And if price decides to run higher, it will tag me out in profit and that will conduct my PM session trading, right? Very, very nice, right? Just a small trade. Being very, very cautious since it's Monday, right? So price is retracing pretty aggressively. Looking at this candle here to protect it, right? All right. So it fills this. No, it fills this, right? It fills this imbalance. And market starts moving away from it, we can look for this area to be protected, right? That's kind of how I would look at it. I don't want to see this high taken out. I do not want to see this high taken out because if it takes out this high, it might just come up and trade above these areas here. So with that being said, 41.38, so 41.38.50 right there. I do not want to see this high taken out. So put my stop there, right? And let's adjust my stop on my account as well. Don't want to see price coming there. So 41. Perfect. So adjust my stop loss there as well. So this is how I'm managing my trades, right? As you guys can see live. Hope you guys are watching and listening. All right. I cut the video a little bit to show you guys, or I pause the video or pause the recording to cut out some of the noise. We're just waiting. But as of right now, we are in this trade, all right? And like I said, all this trade will be on my account, on my Instagram. So if you guys want to see my FTMO trade, it'll be on Instagram as well. So we see a volume imbalance here and here. I want to see price really trade through them, all right? Don't want to use that as support. I want to see trade through them. Nice. Very, very nice. So trading through them, trading through them, trading through them. Yeah, I want to see it really aggressively trade through them, right? This is a nice retracement here. I want to see them at least take out this low. If it takes out this low here, should not come out and take out this high, right? We want to see lows being taken out, highs being respected if we are bearish, right? Or my draw is bearish, or my narrative is bearish. So like I said, looking for these lows down here, low, low, low again, into this imbalance here where I'll probably collapse my full trade if it gets down to. I don't really need to see it come down here. But I will be trying to collapse my full trade here. All right. So this area, my full trade, I collapse it. Okay, nice, nice. Very, very aggressive movement. I like that a lot. Nice. See how it closes into that imbalance, which is what I like to see. All right, and the price can trade up into the volume imbalance and they use it as resistance to push it lower. Right. Now looking for this level here. Boom and boom. So we do have a fair value gap here, right? And since price rate moved from my area, I'm not looking to re-enter since my stop is here now, right? I'm looking for it to continue moving lower or just come back up here and get me out, right? I see how I didn't move my stop here, right? I'd move my stop here because, like I said, I wanted them to take out this low first, all right? If they took out this low first, my stop will be here. But, you know, since it did not do that, my stop is not there. I think they're just running buy side here, maybe trade higher, right? You can use concentration of this candle here, all right? See that? Tags right into that candle right there. Boom. And the price moves from that. Nothing is better than that. Perfection. But we will see. Those are the highs right there. Price trades higher. Nice. Like I said, it can either stop me out, right, up here, or just trade back lower. But in regards, doesn't really matter. Looks like it wants to come back higher. Trades into this candle here. All right. And like I said, if it stops me out, it's okay. We are in profit. Our stop is in profit. Coming up close, looking for it to tag us out. And right there. Should tag me out right there. Boom. See? We want to get out in profit, right? We don't want to see it reverse on us completely. And then we're like, oh, dang, we don't know what happened, right? So that will wrap today's trading, all right? Account is at 210, which is a little high. That's not where my account's at. My account's around 2035. So I kind of messed up a lot in the beginning, but it's okay. So these are all the trades still, right? Same account, same trade. See the dates, right? On my YouTube channel. I'm just documenting for you guys, right? So hope you guys enjoyed this video, right? Like I said, if it takes out this high, it's probably gonna take out these highs for buy side. And what do we know? We're seeing it run very, very deep higher. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And, you know, just the start of the week, so we're not pushing too hard yet, right? I still think this can roll over and come lower. But as of right now, I do think they're just running stops and then they might come back down. And if that's the case, I might have another video for you guys. But for now, let's wrap it up. Let's call it a day for now. And then I'll just tape read for the rest of the PM session. But yeah, hope you guys have a great day. Good luck and good trading, you guys.